We provide emergency power for disaster relief. We provide power for austere and remote environments, for oil and gas, for data centers, for agricultural and industrial applications. We've been working with Mustang Cat for about 4 months now. These units here that we're witnessing today was our introductory to our relationship. They became available. Mustang Cat is our hometown dealer, so they were able to give us segue into getting access to these units on short notice. So these are the XGC1900s. They're powered by a Cat 3516H. It's 1.9 megawatt units. This unit kind of solved a niche need that we had. There's a project we're putting together for a customer where we're providing all of the balance of plant equipment, transformers, switchgear, cabling, design, and grounding systems. We have SCRs, which is a emissions control device that will go on top of each one of these units. So you had really low gas pressure, a strict environmental regulation, and a very short delivery time for a project. And these units check every one of those boxes. One of the major drivers for us going to what we call the recip route here is the packages that we're used to buying historically. There's an 18 to 24 and exceeding lead time. These were available in very short time frames, so we pivoted technologies in order to meet that time constraint. It's been a whole new experience for us. It's a level of service, a level of attention to detail. They've been engaged from day one. They provide regular updates. They provide all the services we need, anything that we ask last minute to try to pull into their scope of work while they're here being integrated. They've been more than accommodating. It's been an excellent experience so far.
There's not that many players in the marketplace that are doing exactly what they're offering to the market. They're a power as a service company. Now with the big data center boom, they happen to be in the right place at the right time with having such an extensive fleet of units. And that's what really the market and the industry is facing, is equipment availability and power availability. And that's exactly what they provide, is large gensets, whether it's gas turbines or recips for those types of industries. What's unique about the XGC1900 is its fast, deployable, plug-and-play solutions. So these packages can arrive at site and within half a day, connecting gas, connecting cabling, they're able to supply power, where large gas turbine packages may be 1 to 2 days of just setup. So much quicker deployment time. We have a dedicated team of technicians here at this facility, probably about 10 of them, all dedicated to rolling 32 of these units through the facility and getting them completed and tested, which is kind of unique as well. So we're running these units. We have a gas supply line here locally where we can supply them with sufficient gas. We're running them with load banks, which is also unique. So before these units get to the site, they've been fully tested with load to make sure that there's minimum disruption once it gets to the client site. Another part of this, it being a mobile power solution, is that these units will be located at this site for an extended period of time, could be 1 to 2 years. And then the beauty of these packages is that they just roll up and can go to the next facility, and who knows what type of industry or customer that is meant for. Could be that they don't even use the SCR system that will be mounted on top of the package. Could be that they use the standard exhaust. So it's kind of the flexibility that these types of packages provide, is that they can go anywhere in the country or even in the world.
The XGC1900 operates on low gas pressure. It can operate in a range of environmental conditions, whether elevation or high temperature, and it's rapidly deployable. It doesn't take a long time to move one and relocate it, and we could get them in time. It affects the customer in a positive way. We can get power on sooner than expected, so there's no delay. We can show up with these mobile units and provide immediate power, while some other solution is being designed, purchased, requisitioned, and waiting on deliveries. So there you can keep schedule or even get ahead in some cases, versus waiting or being delayed and risking penalties and LDs and everything that comes with it.